Thank you so much for the invitation to give me the opportunity to present Ohoskin. In Ohoskin, we have developed and patented the orange and cactus-based coated textile that is an alternative material to the animal leather. Okay, let's start since the beginning. So the problem was the leather tanning process is one of the most polluting process in the whole textile sector due to the fact that mainly parts of that, so 80% more around, is tanned using chrome, and chrome is particularly dangerous for the ecosystem and for the environment, let me say. So I was with Adriana, the other co-founder of Ohoskin. We was wondering to solve this kind of problems, and we found out the solution, thinking about the Sicily and the byproducts of the Sicily agriculture. So Adriana comes from Sicily, and we saw that in Sicily every year there is hundreds of thousands tons of citrus and cactus. That is the main byproduct of the Sicily agriculture. So we're gonna collect all of these byproducts to create a plant-based and no-fossil coated textile made from this kind of byproducts. Absolutely compliant to the circular economy process. Here you can see mainly the process. So we're gonna collect all of these byproducts. We're gonna mix it with a sustainable plastic polymers in order to obtain the Ohoskin coated textile. We have two family of products. That one is based on the bio-attributed PVC that is mainly used for the automotive, for the nautical sector, interior and exterior design, and for handbags, for example. And the other family products that is bio-based polyurethane that is mainly used for the fashion and for the footwear industries. Both of this family of products are patented, are bio-based, are non-fossil due to the sustainable plastic polymers, and are completely developed and produced in Italy. Let's enter in details, in our process. So we're gonna collect all of this raw material. In particular, we have a strong partnership with a producer, a Sicilian producer of orange juice that has a lot of orange peels, has a scrap. So we collect all of this scrap, or all of these byproducts. We're gonna dry it, we're gonna micronize it following our patented parameters in order to obtain the user requirement specification 1, that is this kind of powder. This powder is gonna be mixed with this resin, plastic resin that can be bio-attributed PVC or bio-based PU, in order to create this liquid compound, so the user requirement specification 2. This liquid compound is going to put in a different layer on a baking support that can be used like 100% polyester or 100% cotton GOTS certified, or a mix between polyester and GOTS, in order to obtain the Ohoskin material that is the user requirement specification 3. We have a lot of industrial partnership that can allow us to achieve more than 10,000 of linear meter of Ohoskin daily. So we have chance also to have a life cycle assessment on our material, and in particular we obtain only 2.57 kilograms of carbon dioxide per square meter of our material, thanks to the circular economy process. And as you can see, is one or even two order of magnitude of difference between alternative leather and animal leather. It's important to say that for the animal leather, 110 kilograms is including also the cattle farming, because only the tannery process of this animal leather weight on between 15 and 25 kilograms of carbon dioxide for square meters. Okay, so we have a completely Italian supply chain. So we collect all the byproducts from the Sicilian agriculture in Sicily. We move it in the north of Italy, where we're gonna micronize. We're gonna create this kind of Ohoskin material, thanks to also to our industrial partners. And as I said before, we create two different families of products. One that is bioattributed PVC based. As you can see, there is 9 articles with all the name that it's referring to the Sicily lands, and the other one that is bio-based, PU-based. Apologize for the pun. That is other 9 typology of articles as the same with other Sicilian naming. All of that is difference between the other due to the different thickness, different baking, different superficial texture and chemistry. We obtain a lot of certification on our articles. So in particular, is vegan approved, animal free, is compliant to the European REACH and Prop 65 in order to be sold also in California. And we are compliant to mainly 6 of the SDGs of the agenda of 2023. As you can see, Ohoskin is sold all over the world since 2022, especially for the handbags brands, but also for sneakers, for footwear, and for interior design. Since September of the last year, we also developed free articles that is used also in the nautical and automotive sectors. As you can see here, this was one of the first really important collaboration with Ganni. So we made the bow bag with our material. The collaboration still going, and also in the next year will be sold a new bow bag in a different color. So I cannot anticipate nothing, but this allow us to be nominated by Vogue UK with one of the most important alternative material to animal leather by Vogue UK, thanks to the collaboration with Ganni. You can see here there is a lot of other brands that use our material. All of these articles are sold on the e-commerce of each brand, and we can connect it to the e-commerce page. So it is not Photoshop, let me say. Here there is other collaboration with Mimojo, with Lamar. We have also collaboration with brands that create belts or sneakers. As you can see here, there is some screenshot from the brands that underline the collaboration with Ohoskin and thanks us for the quality of our material. This is some collaboration for the footwear industry, as you can see, Moea, Voulace, and also Ganni for some footwear. This is made. I choose this slide also to show you that our material is possible to have a digital print on it, and also the naming of the brands in embossing or embossing without any kind of problems. This is some design elements by Sonus Faber that is a very high-end, high-quality speakers that using Ohoskin materials. This is some collaboration in interior design, especially for a creative and particular sofa, and Ohoskin material is also used to cover the pillow of these recycled plastic chairs by steel fibra. We have a lot of collaboration also in the automotive sector. As you can see here, there is all the interior of this vehicle made by Marelli is using Ohoskin material and was presented to the CES of Las Vegas in 2024. We have a very strong collaboration with Microlino, and during the design week next week, we're gonna go around the city in Milan with this particularly Microlino. We have a collaboration with Sabelt with a specific footwear. And we also sponsored the Rally of Brunello in 2024. As you can see, today we present also a collaboration for the restaurant industry, where some customers decide to cover the menu in our iconic biomaterials, and also cover all the chairs and the sofa for the dining room. So let's speak about the team. So I'm Stefano Mazzetti, the CEO and co-founder of Ohoskin, and together with Adriana, the other co-founder that is CEO, we are supported with some external collaboration and also an advisory board. So 3 women from the Carica of 101, so 3 women that is particularly successful in their professional experience, support us for the advisory board. And also some external collaboration for the tax and accounting lawyer, and especially the innovation intellectual property topics. We had chance to won a lot of awards during this year, and in particularly we had chance to shake the hand to Sergio Mattarella. As you can see from this picture, Adriana was particularly emotionated by this situation. It was very a big achievement for all the team. So thank you very much. This is all the connection with our social. In particular, we have a B2B business model. So we're considering LinkedIn our best and most important social. So if you want to remain connected with us and know about all the collaboration and news, please us on our social. Thank you so much.